In today's video, we're going to be showing you another product from Topcon called the VDC, which stands for Vehicle Display Controller, and it's designed to give you added convenience in your operation of X25, X30, X35, any of the X series consoles. This is the VDC itself. As you can see, it's got 5 push buttons and it's got a rotary wheel that also clicks. And in the kit, it comes with all the RAM mounts you'll need to set it up in the most convenient location in your machine cab. It also comes with one wiring harness, which is pretty simple. You just got your one 4-pin plug on the one end that you just plug into the back of your VDC. And on the other side, we got 5 plugs, which we only need to use 2 of them. One of them plugs into our CAN plug on our main console harness. And the other one we need to use is our 3-pin triangular Deutsch connector, which plugs into switch power. So once we have those all plugged in, we should be set to go. Now we'll go to our X35 and we'll go to our setup menu, and we go to System, Features, and Console. And here we need to go to VDC support and we need to enable it. So we'll do that, hit the check mark, and it's going to require you to reboot your console, so we'll do that. Now that our X35 is rebooted, we can hit the yes button, and now we're back into our setup, and now you'll see this VDC menu has appeared, so we'll click that. And so here's our backlight. You can enable or disable as whatever you prefer, and it gives us buttons 1 through 4 are programmable to whatever function you want. So for button 1, we'll go and assign it to, say, we'll go down to steering and we'll tap that, and we can do nudge guideline to the vehicle's position. So that's a common key that people use, so we'll put that in there, and you can assign maybe one of your nudges to nudge guideline to the right. We can assign that to button 2 and so on. So you have the 4 programmable buttons, and then button 5 is your back button. So now we go back to our guidance screen, and you'll see here if I move the rotary dial, it'll highlight what area it's about ready to select. So if you click on your map, you can click and it'll zoom in for you or zoom out. So that's one feature, and hit the back button and that'll go down to here. So if you wanted to go to setup, you could click in there. One other thing I wanted to mention, if you look at your dashboard down here, it'll show what your functions are. One other feature while this came up, if you press the rotary dial, it'll cancel alarms. So that's a handy feature to have. And sometimes it's just a quick button push and you don't have to reach for the screen and worry about missing the alarm. So as you can see in the dashboard there, it'll show you what your functions are, so you can just quick for reference, or you can take that off there if you want to. So you can also scroll down to, say, your setup and click, and if you want to go to the wrench there, you can go into there, and so you can navigate your menu structures with this as well, which you might like, you might not like, but it's just an added feature of the VDCs. So we hope this video is showing you how to set up your VDC and help you use it, and thank you for watching.